Welcome to A View to a Grill. I'm Johnny. Today we're going to talk about the 9 barbecue accessories that I'm never without. First on the list is CitruSafe Barbecue Grill Cleaner. Now, I am not an affiliate of CitruSafe. This is a product that I buy on my own. Now, I find it very easy to buy this CitruSafe on Amazon in the kit where you get the grill grate cleaner along with the grill cleaner for the outside and a scrub brush. To use CitruSafe, all you have to do is spray your grates. Next, you'll let it sit for a minute. And all we're trying to do is get rid of some of this stuff that's been stuck on your grill since your last cook. Now, if you've ever wondered why your food sticks onto your grill, well, one reason is that you've left all of this old stuff on your grill that creates a lot of texture and your food sticks to it. Cleaning your grill grates to make them smooth again helps prevent sticking. Now that CitruSafe has been sitting and dissolving the old food, I like to hit it again with just a quick little spray and then scrub it using the scrub pad that comes with the kit. And it's also great for cleaning the outside of your grill. Just spray it down and wipe it down, and that keeps your grill looking almost as good as new. Next, I absolutely love these cotton towels. I have a whole stack of cotton towels, more than what you just see in this shot right here. You can get 50 for a relatively inexpensive price of about $17 at the time of this video. These towels are rugged and are great for just cleaning. I'll just use this one to wipe off the grill after I scrubbed it with the CitruSafe. And it's also the same towel I use for cleaning the outside of the grill. As I use these towels, I'll throw them in a bucket, and as that bucket fills up, I'll then just wash them in my washing machine. Next on my list are thermometers. I started off buying ThermoWorks thermometers with my own money. I bought the Signals and the Thermopen 1. But since then, I have become an affiliate, and I have an affiliate link in the description. For all of those who choose to use my affiliate link, thanks a lot, I appreciate it. What I want to show you are a few of the more affordable options that ThermoWorks provides, where you'll get all of the accuracy, all of the speed, all of the quality that comes with a ThermoWorks product. First, it's going to be the 2-probe ThermoWorks Smoke. I like the ThermoWorks Smoke, well, simply because it's easy to use and it does not require or need Wi-Fi. It comes in 2 pieces, the main unit, which you'll plug your probes into, and a receiver. I like to put it on the side of my Weber kettle table where I know it's going to be secure and it won't fall off. The receiver comes with a lanyard. You'll just put that around your neck, and initially you may think it's upside down, but when you reach for the receiver and hold it in your hand as it's hanging on your neck, everything is right side up and perfect for reading. The main unit has a backlight and very few buttons, easy to use. On the back, you'll see that there is an on-off switch, a Celsius Fahrenheit button, calibration button, and if you want, you can set it up for Wi-Fi. The receiver also has backlighting. Touch it once, the light comes on, hold, and the receiver turns off. The main unit works the same way. If you hold the on-off button, it turns on or off very easily. And the next thermometer I think everyone should have is a pen thermometer. Now, I purchased this one myself. I use it for my SCA state competitions. ThermoWorks did send me the Thermopop 2. The Thermopop 2 is the one I use most often for home use. Thermopop 2 has a simple 1-button design with a large display. What I really like about the Thermopop 2 is that it has a rotating display, and that's one of those features you don't really realize you want until you have it. Another feature I really like about the Thermopop 2 is the probe. If you notice, against the Thermopen 1, the probe is actually thinner, and that makes it great for small cuts of meat. The Thermopop 2 is very light as well. I'll just stick it in the steak to get a reading, and you can see it holds itself up. ThermoWorks also got the price on this right. This is a very good and very affordable pen where you get the accuracy of a ThermoWorks thermometer plus or minus 1 degree, and you get all of that great customer service after the sale. Next on my list are cotton and nitrile gloves. Now, of course, that's 2 items, right? They work best when they come together. Once you have your cotton glove on, if you put the nitrile glove right over it, when you put them together, it insulates your hand for a short amount of time against heat. So if you're going to reach in and quickly grab something and take it off the grill, or quickly grab something and flip it on the grill for a short amount of time, it works perfect. Long amount of time, it's going to melt. And now I want to tell you about my favorite fire starter. I like to use the Superior Trading Company brand of fire cups. Superior Trading Company, not an affiliate, I just love their products. These fire cups are easy to light and they produce a large flame once they're fully lit. I really feel like that these cups start my chimney starter faster, which takes us right into our next accessory, which is the Weber chimney starter. All the Weber products you see on my channel, I did purchase myself, but I have recently become an affiliate of Weber. If you want to get your coals started quickly, then I'd suggest the Weber chimney starter. It's by far the best chimney starter that I own. I use it every single time I grill. For everyone who loves to grill, you're going to need some great grilling tools to make the grilling experience better. My grilling tools of choice are the Weber tongs and the Weber spatula. I do have others that I have used in the past and have tried, but I always come back to these. Now, for whatever grilling tools you use, select long grilling tools, because look at this. If you see, the working end of these grilling tools are the only part that's over the fire. And my favorite barbecue accessory are these pliers. I know, pliers, right? When things are hot, pull out these pliers. And check this out. This was a real situation that I filmed during a video. I was trying to straighten out the slow and sear and my grill grates, but I couldn't, because every time I turned the grill grates, it would hit the slow and sear, and I noticed that the bottom grate was not seated correctly. So to fix that, I got my pliers and pulled the hot grate out. Then I tried to fix the bottom grate with my pliers, but I couldn't because the slow and sear was not allowing me to do that. So I then used the pliers just to grab the slow and sear and pull the whole thing out. After I was done fixing the bottom grate, I then used the pliers to put the slow and sear back in, and then used the pliers to put the grill grate back on top. And now let's talk about my absolute favorite Weber kettle accessory, and that is the slow and sear. I think the slow and sear makes the whole barbecue experience on a Weber kettle better and easier. If you're like me and you reuse your charcoal, having it in the slow and sear makes it easy to clean your used charcoal. All you do is pick up your slow and sear, shake it around a little bit, and then what you're left with is good used charcoal. Anything that wasn't good fell out the bottom through your bottom grates, and all you have to do is sweep that out in your ash pan. Now, if you have the Slow and Sear Deluxe, it has a removable water trough. All you have to do is put some water in your water trough, and it creates this hyper steam environment inside the Weber kettle, which is great when you're smoking whatever it is you're smoking. Having water in your cook provides steam, and it also helps you control heat in your Weber kettle. Now, if you want to get a great sear on whatever it is you're cooking, the Slow and Sear, the way it's shaped, shoots heat straight up. In this shot here, you can see the flame just flickering right above the grates. With that heat going straight up, you get this amazing area of just ultra heat that puts a great sear on whatever protein you're cooking. And it also creates a natural two-zone cooking environment where you have the Slow and Sear as your hot side and 2/3 of your kettle as a cool side. And if you want to know how hot it is over the Slow and Sear, check this out. 700 degrees maybe. And there you have it, my 9 barbecue accessories that I'm never without. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, take a minute, subscribe to the channel. That way you come back and see whatever else I'm doing in the backyard. Thank you for watching A View to a Grill. I'll see you guys next time. Take care, y'all.